Okay, are you ready? Hey guys, it's 2020 and we're here today. We're at number 9 Farms and we're going to make pork sausage with my son Cody, who's here from Wisconsin. And what we've done was we bought some pork loins. We bought 60 pounds plus, and we're going to make 2 batches of 25 pounds each. Down at our country store we bought these seasonings and they do 25 pounds each. And we're going to stuff our sausage, and we bought our sausage stuffers, natural casings from the Sausagemaker. And we bought the 28 to 32 millimeter natural casings. So we're going to grind it, a coarse grind, and then we're going to season it and grind a fine grind and stuff it. We'll follow up with that. Thanks, guys. Hey guys, we're back. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to grind ours next, and we have a Weston Butcher Series number 32 that we purchased, and you can see our unboxing video, but we just wanted to show you that, and that's what we're going to grind our meat with, and we're completely impressed and happy with the performance of it. So we're getting ready to grind it now, so here we go.
Alright, maybe we should restart.
Here we go.
Let me get my glove.
Coming.
You just gotta drop it in a hole. There you go.
It goes really quick. And we even said last time we weren't sure why you had the basket up at the top other than for convenience.
Alright guys, as you can see, it pretty much grinds it as fast as you can put it through there.
Here we are now, cutting up the meat.
Can you say sausage, eh?
Certainly can. Gotcha.
Ground up meat.
And then we're going to add the spices to it and stir it in and then re-grind it with the sausage stuffer on the machine. Go finer grind and stuff it in the casings. And we'll show you how to do the casings too. Alright guys, so we're back now. We made the first course ground on this. We've weighed it out. We got exactly 25 pounds, and that's what the Legs Plantation says to use. So we're going to put this in here now, mix it in, let it soak for an hour, and then we're going to put it in the casings. Right.
We just canned some beef salsa, so that's what you might have heard the popping. Getting some good agitation.
Good to have some help here now. And if you're lucky, you make 50 pounds that last a whole year.
It smells really good. Okay guys, so what we had to do here is you have to fill the casings up with water after they've soaked.
She's coming. One time my name, you know.
put it after that, don't put any more in. It's a little practice, that's all. Didn't know how big you want it.
Some already cooked.
Alright guys, now we got the stuffer running and we decided to use the speed stuffer because we had ground it and it's working good for us on these casings.
I think you got it in reverse.
Huh?
I think you got it in reverse there.
Alright.
Did you?
And we'll load another one in just a minute. Cody, go ahead and load them another casing up there so they can see that. I'm not the best at tying, but there you go. We are going to let the boss do all the twisting. As you can see, that was one run right there. Probably about 15 pounds or more in that one tube. So let us load that up and we'll show you shooting the whole tube.
All right, we'll go ahead and put that on.
All right. And we pre-soaked the casings and we washed the casings on the inside, holding it under the faucet.
And it loads on pretty quick.
Yeah, and it goes a long ways. The key is not to stuff it, just let it feed itself through there once it gets going.
All right.
So we'll crank it back up and
Cody's tying a knot in the end.
that's probably the hardest part of this whole process is tying a knot in the.
Well, because they're the natural casing and a little bit harder to work with.
All right, so
Cody's got it.
Cody's got it. All right,
All right.
ready? Here we go. You just kind of work it with your hands to the size you want it, and just let it feed. And it is delicious. That's our little trick. We also cook ours before we stuff it in the
I
casing.
think everybody does.
I know, but I just don't forget, don't stuff it in the casing before you try it, because you're not getting it back out.
Make sure it's the right taste for you.
Exactly what you like. What we've done, we pulled the casing out of the bag and we've soaked it, and I'm going to show you what we do to rinse it out. We just hold it up here to the faucet and let it fill up with water, and it'll follow its way all the way through. And this washes all the salt out of the inside. Just kind of got to watch it and make sure it doesn't have any tangles in it.
There you go.
Alright guys, you can do it however, this is how we figured out how to do it. We make this sausage for ourselves, we don't sell this, so you'll have to figure out what works for you.
This is Dawn, and we're back from number 9 Farms, and this is my son Cody, and here Cody is going to help me today finish up this. This is the speed stuffer, and we're using the Weston 32.
Butcher series.
Yep, thank you, Cody. Today what I did is I've got 9 pounds of
the pork. And since I have celiacs, I like to only make things gluten-free. So, and I don't put any sugars or anything in them. So it's 1 tablespoon of sage. This was per pound of pork. This is a recipe I created, nothing fancy. Half a tablespoon of white pepper, 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, and like I said, these are all either come from Hamtown Spicery or McCormick. They are gluten-free. Half a tablespoon of the kosher salt, and the kosher salt is the kosher salt. I don't use any substitute because there's nothing else added in that salt. And a large pinch of crushed red pepper per pound. Half a tablespoon of black pepper. And this, I like a lot of heat and I like a lot of flavor. So, and this to me was amazing once we cooked it. And here we go. We're going to start now. Okay. Now you can see it in the tube.
Not letting it come out too fast.
Okay. Kind of guide it.
The colder the meat is, the better it processes through the speed stuffer.
All right, Bruce, you want to come on and take over since you're more experienced in this part?
Oh, you're doing a great job. I think I'll be the videographer today. You're doing an outstanding job.
Yeah, but it's not coming out as pretty as yours.
Love it. Okay, so you just work it in your hand to the size you want. We leave it a little small because it makes it easier to twist it for us. Just gotta take it slow and easy.
And I want to show you this recipe here that I created so you can see exactly what it is. Now we have probably about what, maybe 5.5 pounds, 6 pounds of it. And now Cody's going to show you how to twist them up.
First one's always the hardest. Oh no, that's okay.
Look at Cody go. It's all about the thumbs. Pinching.
You work out a little bit of space if it's too thick, and then boom.
Perfect. And Bruce struggles to tie knots.
Yes, Bruce does struggle tying the knot. That's why I had to give up my professional fishing career. I couldn't tie knots.
Hey guys, so I just wanted to show you that all of it is wrapped up in packages. Our food saver had messed up on us, so we had to send it back, and so now we had to package in regular Ziploc baggies, and we have 181 links. We've already ate 10, and we had 60 pounds of pork, and now here you go. Everything all ready to go. Thank you. Cooking it, I just used the cast iron skillet, and I put a little bit of bacon grease down. And so now it's going to start cooking. And then once I can flip it, I will turn it over, get that side brown, and then I will put the lid on it with a little bit of water just so the center can cook. And then we'll have delicious sausage. And here's what this one looks like now.
And then take the lid off once the center's cooked, and we'll let it brown again some more, and the water will evaporate, and it'll be delicious. Now, here we go for the final answer.
That's delicious.
Yum. Okay, guys. Well, thank you for watching Number 9 Farms. Thank you guys for watching.